another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. And if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company BeautyforeverHair. I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. But let's go ahead and get into the unit. And it does come in this bag. And of course you can see the company's logo. I already see an edge brush right here. So let's go ahead and open this bag up. They did include some lashes, an edge band, 2 HD wig caps. Also included a sleeping cap with the company's logo, which I think is cool, especially because this is a water wave unit. And if you want to protect your hair, especially if you're somebody who likes to sleep with your units on at night, then having a sleeping cap is definitely a plus. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. This is their 7x5 water wave wig. This one is in the length 24 inches. This is what the ends look like. They've been sitting in the bag for a while, so of course we're gonna make sure that comes back to life. And then this is what the hair looks like towards the top. You can definitely tell that they bleached those knots because baby, that looks like scalp. This is your 7x5 parting space area. You don't get any combs at the top or on the side. You do get your new adjustable strap right here. You also get a drawstring. Now, as far as the lace goes, this is what it looks like against my hand. I feel like it looks pretty good. I am not sure if I'm gonna add my tint spray. I'm gonna try this on real quick, and then I can always take it off and add it if I need to, but it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. What do y'all think? We'll see. This is what it is looking like on. I'm definitely going to take this off and add that tint spray towards the front of the hairline. All the hair pulled to the front. Everything is looking good so far. And then you can tell that they did pluck out the front of the hairline, if it focuses. This is what the front of the hairline looks like, which I think looks really, really good. You can trim off some of that excess lace if you are not a fan of it. And then this is what the other side looks like. So straight out of the box, I think it looks pretty good. Now keep in mind, this is only a 7x5. So the lace does go all the way over. And then you have this little track right here. And I do need to tighten it up a little bit more because it is feeling a bit roomy. So I am gonna tighten it up a bit more. But the parting space, y'all, the parting space looks really, 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 really good. This is about as far back as I would part it, so you don't run into that track. But of course, if you're not a fan of that parting space in the middle, you can always part this on the side. And the parting space is nice and open on the sides, because you know sometimes when you have good parting space in the middle, you'll get to the side and it's not as good. But I definitely need to take care of this. I wanted to keep this install really nice and easy, especially because it is so much hair. I see me rocking a middle part, and then I did a side part. I did leave these little hairs out on the side. I just kind of plucked it out a little bit more because I felt like it looked a little bit too thick as I moved it to the side. But it looks good. Like the hairline on this definitely gets 2 thumbs up. You do not have to pull out those shorter hairs if you don't want to, because that is a personal preference. I didn't put any powder into the parting space area. The only thing that I did was add a little bit of tint to the very front of the lace. That way it could blend in really well to my skin, and it looks very, very good. I have no complaints at all whatsoever when it comes to this parting space and when it comes to the hairline, and they did a really, really good job when it came to bleaching those knots. Wig grip spray to install this unit. Keep in mind this is only a 7x5, so I really only focus up in this area. It does go over a little bit more, but I didn't spray like over here because it laid down really nice and flat. Laying down really good by my ear. My ears aren't bending at all, so I don't have any issue when it comes to the top of the cap. However, for me in the nape area, it is a little bit too big. Go ahead and adjust the drawstring and the strap. And while the strap is tight on my head, it's still loose back here. So I would have to bobby pin it down. But the top area is fine. I'm not worried about that moving at all. It fits very snug. It's just that the cap is roomy. I also used 2 products today, if I can find the other one. I used my Tresemme Bouncy Curls Defining Cream, and then I used my olive oil wrap mousse. I used the mousse towards the ends of the hair. I used the cream towards the top of the hair. Now this cream can come off a little bit thick. I did not use too much because I did not want to soak the hair all the way because it already had like a good pattern going on. My main thing was to focus on the ends because the ends did come off a bit frizzy. And the ends I feel like are looking really good right now. Also, when I fluffed up the hair, I did use my Sleek and Shine Serum, and that's just to help control frizziness and flyaways. To be honest, I'm not noticing a lot of flyaways, especially towards the top of this unit, but right in this area, just a little bit. I would say it's more frizziness, not too much flyaways. And then I went in with the hot comb a little bit after everything was dried down, and I pressed a little bit. However, when I moved it to the side, I did not have to. So in the parting space area, there's not a heavy amount of density, so I don't feel like you're gonna have to worry about switching it up or anything. Could you put this into a ponytail? I think you could. I think you could. You can definitely do a ponytail. You can do a little clip. The clip would be cute. It's a lot of hair, so make sure you get a decent size clip, but you can definitely put this into a low ponytail if you choose to, and it's still going to really look nice. So you got some versatility. You can do different styles when it comes to this unit. Like I said, I just wanted to keep it simple and basic because I knew I was going to move it around to a side part. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes, I did receive some shedding during the styling process when I was brushing it out with the comb. Not too much. Keep in mind, this is being styled straight out of the box. So I probably will get a little bit more once I wash this unit. And tangles, at the moment I'm not getting any, but keep in mind this is a water wave unit, which means this is going to need some TLC. This is going to have some maintenance. If you are somebody who does not want to take care of a unit, then you might want to look at a different style. So let me know what you guys think about this unit. If you are feeling this, I am going to make sure to leave all the details down below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.